All right, let's dive right into this. Running a behavioral health practice is incredibly rewarding work. But let's be honest, the administrative side, it can feel like a really heavy burden. Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're going to look closely at a silent problem that's likely affecting your practice right this minute: front-end revenue leaks. We're going to break down exactly what that means, why it's happening, and most importantly, how you can fix it without burning out your entire staff. So let me ask you a question. Where is your practice actually losing revenue? If you're like most providers we talk to, you probably immediately think of unpaid claims, low reimbursement rates, or, those classic back-end billing nightmares. But the reality? The real drain on your finances actually happens long before a claim is ever submitted. It happens right at the front desk. And these front desk leaks are some of the most common and, frankly, the most frustrating ones out there. If you're a psychiatric practice, a PMHNP, or a therapist, you know exactly how complex behavioral carve-out mistakes can be, especially with payers like Optum, Carelon, and Magellan. It's like navigating a maze blindfolded. Add in things like expired prior authorizations for high-tier treatments like TMS and Spravato, missed insurance verifications, sudden credentialing gaps, and uncollected copays. And suddenly, you are literally providing crucial, life-changing patient care for free. That is a massive, stressful problem for any business. But here is the really good news. Meet Belinda Joseph. She is the founder of Almonord AI Solutions, and she brings 20 full years of hospital patient access experience specifically to solo and group psychiatric practices. Think of her as your insider guide. She knows exactly how to navigate this confusing insurance bureaucracy, making it feel completely manageable so you just don't have to figure it all out alone. So what does Belinda actually do for your practice? Basically, she acts as your Fractional Patient Access Director. This means Almonord AI Solutions steps in as an expert partner to manage all your front-end operations. They use this amazing enterprise-level expertise powered by AI to give you hospital-grade efficiency and airtight workflows. And the best part? You get all of this without the stress, the overhead, or the massive time drain of having to go out and hire, train, or manage brand new administrative staff. It is just an immense relief for practice owners. Now, clarity is absolutely crucial when choosing a partner, which is why Almonord AI Solutions is hyper-focused. They flawlessly handle the front-end patient access. We're talking rigorous insurance and benefit verification, complex prior authorizations, credentialing, and strict denial prevention. But, it's equally important to know what they intentionally don't do. They are not a billing company, and they are definitely not a marketing agency. They fix the root cause of the leaks at the front end, setting your whole practice up so your back-end billing actually works smoothly. And when you secure that front-end approach, the results are pretty immediate. First off, cleaner claims. Because the data is verified before the patient even sits down in the waiting room, your claims go out clean. Second, fewer denials. You aren't wasting hours fighting these exhausting retroactive battles over expired auths, which leads directly to the ultimate goal: faster payments. You get paid what you are owed much faster, and your team can get back to focusing entirely on patient care. So if you are just totally tired of the insurance frustration and you're ready to protect your income, your next step is really simple. You need to get a free revenue leak audit. Now, don't worry, this isn't some high-pressure sales pitch. It's a focused educational review that maps out exactly where your specific practice is losing revenue and shows you exactly how to fix it. You can visit them at allmoredaysolutions.com. You can shoot an email directly to Belinda at belinda@allmoredaysolutions.com, or just give them a call at 469-908-8757. I want to leave you with one final question to really chew on today. Are you ready to stop the leaks and get back to patient care? Because at the end of the day, you shouldn't have to be a master of insurance bureaucracy just to run a successful, profitable behavioral health practice. Let a trusted expert handle the front end so you could focus on healing your patients. Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer, and be sure to reach out to Almonord AI Solutions to get your practice's revenue back on track.